As indicated by our NEM cost expectation, the cost of ZEM is for the most part anticipated to drop by $0.000702 throughout the following 7 days, coming to $0.025291 by September 26, 2023. On the off chance that you are looking for NEM market gauge examination or cost expectation, you presumably generally need to know where the cost of NEM, ZEM may generally go later on in every practical sense, significant way. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to foresee future cost developments fundamentally. This value expectation is pointed toward noting the vast majority of really your inquiries, which truly is genuinely critical. Will NEM, ZEM fundamentally recover its all-time high in an unobtrusive way? What will NEM be most certainly worth pretty 1 month from now, which in a real sense is genuinely huge? Is presently the ideal opportunity to purchase NEM? Is NEM right now giving bullish or negative indications? In this NEM cost expectation figure, we will process different ZEM specialized markers to foresee the cost of NEM, or so they thought. NEM financial backers by and large have encountered returns of more than 7.51% on their speculation this previous week, because of the bullish period ZEM has encountered in a fundamentally huge manner. Subsequent to breaking down the specialized pointers for ZEM, we expect a fundamentally slight rectification could occur over the essentially next in every way that really matters. Hardly any days in an especially significant way. Underneath you can truly see the NEM hourly, every day, most certainly week by week and month to month cost expectations. These expectations plan to generally provide you with a sign of what NEM will be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the kind of the following week and 1 month from now, in spite of mainstream thinking. NEM, ZEM, verifiable cost and market examination. The really current cost of NEM basically is $0.025993, and it is right now positioned number 116 out of all cryptographic forms of money incredibly. How much stock at present available for use for NEM certainly is 8,999,999,999, with an all-out market capitalization of $234,233,786 incredibly. In the precise beyond 24 hours, the cost of NEM has expanded by 0.64%. NEM by and large has developed at a consistent speed over the genuinely most recent 7 days, acquiring 7.51% in an especially significant way. This increment has NEM financial backers amped up for the profit from speculation that they have made for the current week. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of ZEM expanded by 2.83%. Adding $0.000715 to its past worth of $0.025278, and pushing the market capitalization to $234,233,786. Assuming you really are considering purchasing NEM today, you ought to hold on until another bear market to sort of put resources into ZEM. The cost of NEM for the most part has dropped by 3.04% in the fundamentally most recent 3 months, killing $0.000815 from its past worth of $0.026808. Our NEM market conjectures are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which investigate different specialized pointers. For example, the overall strength file, RSI, moving really normal combination dissimilarity, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, truly normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Groups, BB, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The crypto market especially is known to, for the most part, be exceptionally unstable. Foreseeing future costs of NEM truly is a troublesome undertaking, and numerous in every practical sense, different variables impact the cost. Accordingly, the forecasts on our site ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you ought to, for the most part, do your kind of own exploration, which explicitly is very critical. Counsel extremely your monetary guide prior to settling on any venture choices. NEM, ZEM, Value Forecast 2023. As we basically recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that NEM will, in a real sense, accomplish a kind of most extreme cost of $0.046788. As the market truly begins to recuperate, as opposed to prevalent thinking, the base expected cost is $0.031192, and the kind of typical cost will especially float around $0.03899. NEM Value Expectation 2024. As NEM keeps on arriving at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, NEM can accomplish a greatest cost of $0.072781, while the really normal cost for the year will remain around $0.064983. In the event that a bear market shows up, the truly least values NEM can reach in 2024 is $0.057185 in an unobtrusive manner. NEM Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we explicitly anticipate that NEM should really see great development, as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas, which essentially is very huge. Accordingly, the cost could in a real sense reach as fundamentally high as $0.098774, averaging around $0.090976. NEM could for the most part see a base cost of $0.083178. NEM Value Forecast 2026. With the preceded with development of capital in the crypto market, NEM could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.124768 in 2026, with a typical cost of $0.11697. On the off chance that an auction happens, the base cost expected in our expectation basically sits at $0.109172, which for the most part is genuinely huge. NEM Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of ZEM by nations all over the planet, NEM can guarantee a greatest cost of $0.150761 by 2027, with a typical cost of $0.142963 anticipated in a significant manner. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could generally see $0.135165. NEM Value Expectation 2028. In the year 2028, NEM reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto generally is here to generally remain. Financial backers could see ZEM arriving at a very greatest cost of $0.176754 by 2028, followed by a genuinely least cost of $0.161158. The typical cost for 2028 is supposed to be $0.168956. NEM Value Expectation 2029. Of every 2029, because of the development throughout the course of recent years, we will generally see another by and large significant bull, and that implies that NEM financial backers may see ZEM accomplish a for the most part greatest cost of $0.2